Hey everyone, today we will focus on one common and effective contraceptive method used in family planning: contraceptive pills. Contraceptive pills are medicines taken daily to help prevent unplanned pregnancy. They are approved by health professionals and supported under the reproductive health law to help protect the health of individuals and families. Pills are widely used because they Pills are widely used because they are effective, convenient, and reliable when taken correctly. Contraceptive pills work by regulating hormones in the body. These hormones help prevent the release of an egg, prepare the body in a way that pregnancy does not occur, because they work inside the body. Consistency is very important, taking the pill at the same time very help maintain effectiveness. One major benefit of contraceptive pills is that the law. Contraceptive pills work by regulating hormones in the body. These hormones help prevent the release of and the egg prepare the body in a way that pregnancy does not occur, because they work inside the body. Consistency is very important, taking the pill at the same time very help maintains effectiveness. One major benefit of contraceptive pills is that they allow families to plan when they are ready to have children. They help parents prepare emotionally, physically, and financially before starting of growing a family. This leads the healthier mothers and children and stronger family relationship. Contraceptive pills also offer additional health benefits. For some individuals, they help regulate monthly cycles and reduce discomfort. This shows that contraceptive pills are not only for family planning but also support overall reproductive health. However, like any health method, contraceptive pills may not be the same for everyone. That is why it's important to seek guidance. Important to address misunderstanding about contraceptive pills. Using pills does not encourage irresponsible behaviors. Instead, it promotes responsibility awareness and informed decision making. When people understand how pills work, they are empowered to make better choice for their future. Respect for different beliefs and opinions is important. Family planning is a personal decision, and access to correct information help people decide responsibly and confidently. In conclusion, contraceptive pills are a safe and effective tool for family planning. They support health, preparedness, and responsible parenthood. By understanding contraceptive pills, we take a step toward healthier families and a better future. Let us continue to promote awareness, respect, and informed choice, because planning today leads to healthier tomorrow.